Here I've got Huawei Mate 30 Pro, and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select battery, and now you can smoothly activate power saving mode by tapping on the switcher. Now confirm that you would like to enable low power solution, wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. It has been applied, so now your device is running in low power solution and the battery will last way longer. Then you can switch off power saving mode the same way, smoothly by tapping on this icon. For some extreme situation, you can also use ultra power saving mode, where only few applications will be available. Smoothly click on ultra power saving mode and now click on enable. And as you can see, only calls, messages and contacts are active here. And then if you would like to switch this mode off, tap on exit icon and then confirm that you would like to switch it off. So this is how you can save power in your battery, but you can also activate it quickly through the upper bar. Simply slide it down and locate power saving mode icon, which is here. Smoothly click on it and then tap on apply. As you can see, now we are back in ultra power saving mode. So let me go back, and that would be all. This is how you can save power in your device, how you can extend the life of the battery. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.